Hello crafty friends, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. This is your crafty friend Abiola from Gaspa.com. Thank you so much for tuning in today again into this video. I'm really grateful. So today we are going to be checking the Design Space. This is the software which they use to make all the design, then which will be transferred to Cricut and cut out. So this is what we are going to be talking about today. So if you are interested, you want to know a little about Design Space, though I don't know much, but the little I know I will share with you. Then if you know more about it, leave it in the comment section. I will be glad to read from you. And if you want to learn more about it, we can learn more about it together. Don't hesitate to tell me. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video, as I said. So keep watching, don't go anywhere.
This is the home page when you first open the Design Space, and the software has a lot of functionalities, and know that the functionality of the computer is much more than that of a tablet or the phone. I know you will know that. So this is the home page, and when you scroll to this side, you see so many other things: Cricut Mock Press, Cricut Joy, and some other stuff right there. And if you want to go to the canvas where you create your design, you click this new project and it will take you right there. So this is the canvas. So before then, let's quickly check this icon. We have, if you click this, it will take you back to the home, and here you have the canvas. And let's scroll down a little bit. You will have so many other things: new machine setup, calibration, update firmware. So whatever you need to do, this is where you do them. This is where you have your Cricut access and the settings. Let's check the settings. If you want to change the language, there are other languages right here for you to choose whichever one you want. And you have the unit on the canvas grid. You may choose to use full grid, partial grid, or no grid. And there are other things that you can also set for your convenience. So that is it about that. Then let's go to project right here are things that you can work on already explained to you. You just have to choose and you pay, except you have a Cricut access, and that is $10 per month for you to have access to all of these things for free. You have to pay $10 per month. So it depends on you. It's left to you. So those are the things you have there. And we also have images. Those images, oh, excuse me, those images are also not free. Some are free though. So we have free ones, like if you are using this egg image, it's $1. You have to either purchase this, or if you have Cricut access, you are free to use any of these ones that has a price tag on them. And that is it. And that's Cricut access, and you can see a lot of other things. You can just go through this. You don't need to have a machine for you to have this software. You can always get them and walk around with it if you are planning to get a Cricut. And some other things, there is template. If you are working on anything, you can choose a template here to just put your design, then you can just delete it afterwards. And if you can search for what you need to do. Let's say shirt, you're working on a shirt. So when you search for shirt, it will bring you different types of shirts. When you click it, it will go to that canvas. Okay, let me just do a demo. It will come here, then you can just put your design on any of this. Okay, let's quickly work on this. Now I have a shirt as a template. Then let me go to test. and write something. This is where you write this. The other one I did, which says go Gator. Let me put it here. Go Gators. Go Gators. Yeah. This is my test. So this is it right here. Oh no. So that will keep showing. I just want to click this. Okay. So I want to bring this down here on this shirt. Then I want to expand it. Yes, so you can choose to do anything with this. Let's check this operation. You can see operation right there. You can do so many things with that which you just wrote, and you can score to change the format. You can choose to perforate. You can choose to deboss, engrave, and just choose what you want to do. But now we are doing basic. This is the basic. Then here you have the font. You can check the fonts. There are price tag on the font too, but there are some that has free there are some that are free, so you can look for those that are free, or you can download some on your computer that are free to use. So let me just choose that, and this is it. It separates the letters. So this is how it looks like. Go get us. It separated the letters, and there are other things. You can change the color. Yeah, this is the color right here. You can choose any color to work with. And what else can I show you guys before we move on to the next stage? Moving on to the next device. So yes, you can also do some other actions like selecting both. Then you can right here, you can attach, you can flatten, and that's it for the computer. There are so many things. We have upload. If you have SVG, I need to also let you know that this works with SVG, and that's scalable vector graphics. So it works with SVG. You can only cut things that come as SVG. We have PNG, we have JPG, so this works with SVG. So you can just play around with this if you have it on your phone or your laptop or your tablet, and as time goes on we will learn more about it, maybe when we are doing project, because right now I can't just tell you about all the functionalities. So here you have ungroup, duplicate, so many things that need to be learned on the software. So that is it for the computer. So let's move to the tablet. So here is what it looks like on a tablet, and as you can see, this is the welcome to design space, and you can either set up your machine or sign in. So I'm going to be signing in here, and I'll be back. Yeah, so this is the home page on the tablet, and you want to go to the canvas. So this is the canvas right here. If you are going to the home page, you can just check projects that have already been made. They have tons of projects right here that you may want to follow if you feel like doing here. So this had the beautiful project. Then okay, let's go to canvas. So this is how the canvas looks like on the tablet, and these are the functionalities. As I mentioned, that the functionalities are a lot on the
laptop or the desktop than on the tablet or the phone. So this is what it looks like on the tablet. So let's do something right here. Let's just upload an image. Yeah, this is how it looks like when you want to say open uploaded image, select from photo library or take a photo. So we are going to be opening uploaded image. Yes, so there are lots of images that I have uploaded. So let's work with one just for the purpose of this video. Okay, I'm going to be working with okay, let me work with this. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. You can move it around, you can unlock this and increase or reduce it as you want to. Yes, then after then this is where you do the edit. If you want to change the height or the width, so you have to unlock it first. Let's do something now. If we lock it, you won't be able to manipulate this that much. If you do, it will go back to the previous number, but if you unlock it first, then you'll be able to do whatever you like with that. So this is it. Let's say 6. You want to make it the height 6 by 4. 6 by 4. So let's click done, and this is it. This is 6 by 4. And from there, if you want to do some other things, this is where you do the actions. You can, what you can do on this will just appear and others will be blurred. So you can only duplicate this, then you can, this is the duplicate, then you can also hide the contour. Now we are choosing this, so let's hide this. So this is it. If you want to hide the contour, this is what you do, just pinch, and to come out this way. Now you can see this is different from this. So we are cutting this on a paper, it will cut it as bold as this, but otherwise this is the way to cut it. So let's just go to make it, and then see, this will come out this way. There are different cuts. So let's return to canvas. This is what you do, you just come up here, go back to canvas, and that is it. So that's what we'll be doing on the tablet. Subsequently, as you do projects, you get to learn more about this. So this is what it looks like on the phone. And if you want to go to canvas, this is where you click. I already have a project there, so I replaced it. So these are the functionalities down there: image, text, shapes, upload, and this is where the profile is. You can see my name and so many other things that we saw on the computer. And here you can go back to the home. You can also go back to canvas, then you can click make it if you have any project going on. So let's do a project like upload, how to upload from your phone. You can take a photo, you can select from photo library, you can browse files, and you can open uploaded images. So let's do browse files. So we start from uploading an image. So this is how it looks like. You can see it's not too clear. You can do so many things with it. You can remove some those things that are not good there. You can erase, you can crop, you can undo and redo. So when you are done with that, let's do erase. You can see this is the circle that does the erasing. Then after then you can just click this and move to the next level, which is you can smoothen it like this, and when you are done you click next, and you have to give your project a name. Let's call it grateful. Yes, so you can choose cut or print, then cut. So there are two things there. Let's choose cut, then you save. So that will go to your uploaded images. As you can see, these are the images, and the beautiful part of this is that you can access your uploaded images across your device, across your devices. So that's the beautiful part of it. So you can select anything you like here. Let's select the nose mask, then you can resize like so. You can do anything with the functionalities. You can't finish the functionalities in this video, so let's hope that as we move on you will get more and more about the design space. So that is it about. And if you want to make this nose mask, you click here, and up there you have where you can tell how many copies you want, if you want to mirror for iron on, and do so many other things. So, and you can go back to canvas and resize, and this is where you do the editing. This is where the actions are, and the edit if you want to increase the height, the width, and rotate, horizontal, vertical, so many other things you need to do. I want to believe that you know that you need to download the app on the App Store or the Play Store on your phone or on your tablets, and you can start working with it. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment. If you really enjoy and find this video useful, please give it a like, share with friends, subscribe, and leave your thoughts as usual. So this is your crafty friend telling you to make your own happiness, create your own happiness, because it's in your hands. See you next time. Bye.